Second class Scout requirements 2B and 2C. Use the tools listed in Tenderfoot Requirement 3D to prepare tinder, kindling, and fuel wood for a cooking fire. At an approved location and time, use the tinder, kindling, and fuel wood from Second Class Requirement 2B to demonstrate how to build a fire. Unless prohibited by local fire restrictions, light the fire. After allowing the flames to burn safely for at least 2 minutes, safely extinguish the flames with minimal impact to the fire site. Firewood review. Tinder is very small, smaller than a pencil. Kindling is about the size of a pencil. And fuel wood is about the size of your thumb to about the size of your arm. There are a couple of different fire lays that are good for cooking. Teepee fires are exceptionally good, as are log cabin fires. These are not the only kinds of fires that are good for cooking on. A teepee fire is good for suspending things like a pot over a fire, especially things like boiling water or making a soup or stew. A log cabin fire is good for putting your pan or pot into the fire. This is good for Dutch oven cooking and other kinds of cooking. Lastly, remember always to minimize campfire impacts. Scatter unused wood as naturally as possible. Push unburned ends of wood into the fire as it burns down so it's all consumed. When the coals are burned to ash, soak well with water. Make sure it's completely out. Use water rather than dirt to put out the fire. Collect the cold ash and scatter it over a large area as well away from the campsite. Replace any sod if you had to make your own campfire circle. This has been Scatter Rob. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell.